This video shows how to replace the battery cover here on a DJI Action 5. I already got this replacement part from shopped on eBay, and it came 2 weeks after ordering. So that's quite easy how to replace, and now it's repaired. And it also should be waterproofed again. And the damage happened when it dropped on the side.